This video is suitable for those who have found love. And if you are single, after finish watching this video, we hope you find your soulmate.
Love knows no boundaries. Distance can prevent a person's feelings.
Such as the love story of the two of us.
Our story begins in different countries. I'm Gary Su. I live in Australia. I graduate with a bachelor's degree in Law and Commerce from Griffith University in Australia. Now, I'm working as a family lawyer. During COVID, we were all locked up and couldn't meet new people, so I downloaded the 1010 app to use. Oh, this person is so cute. I hope we match on the app.
Hi, I am Ratikan Udampan. My nickname is Prel or P. I am studying in my third year at North Bangkok University. While studying, I work in admin and I talk to Chinese customers as well. Because I work and study hard, I started to look for someone to talk to on 1010 app. And finally, we met on the app.
We started talking since then.
After talking for a while to each other, he looks like a playboy. Should I continue to talk? Several days passed. We kept in touch sometimes until I decided to try to open up and have a serious conversation again.
We talk on Instagram and Line. We video call every day.
After talking, we got to know each other better. We knew about each other's personality and goals.
Will you be my girlfriend?
Yes, I will.
We have been dating since then. In May 2022, Singapore opened their country to visitors, so we decided to meet there for the first time.
And we finally met in person. We went to Universal Studios and traveled to different places together. Gary took me to meet his relatives and family. This gesture impressed me a lot.
We continued to travel around Malaysia. After our holiday, we had to go back to our respective homes.
Later, I decided to apply for a visa to meet Gary during the semester break. When the visa passed, I met Gary as I had planned.
During our time in Australia, we had a lot of wonderful times together. We went to the beach, the zoo, and hiking together.
Until October 16. Gary took me to ride a jet ski around the Gold Coast.
I I decided to stop for a walk on a small island with only the two of us. Let me take a picture of you facing the other way.
Okay. And when I turned around,
Will you marry me?
I said yes.
Today, 1st of August 2023, is our wedding day, and we hope you enjoy your night with us.
Reticon, yeah, I'm giving you all my love, yeah, giving you all my love. You say that you love Dundee do more than what? But you love me, I think it's sweet, yeah, you know I think it's sweet. So sweet. After our wedding you're gonna be mine eternally. I can't wait for our future, more traveling together. After today, you're gonna be my wife for the rest of our lives. Can't wait for you to be eternal.